All right, today's topic on the table, we're gonna touch base on two things. One, a common thing I see here at KPI or just with athletes in general is low back pain. But two, I wanna introduce a technique called a PNF technique or proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation. Kind of a mouthful, so we'll keep it at PNF, okay? Now, guys that come to see me with low back pain, the first thing I wanna see is what is their hamstring range of motion, like where are they at? Because a lot of times, athletes with low back pain will have tight hamstrings, which require the pelvis to posteriorly tilt. It pulls it down tighter. So I'll look at these hamstrings and I'll have them come up. So Nick here actually looks pretty good, okay? But you can see on his left side, which is his dominant side, is actually a little bit less. So I'm gonna introduce, like post-workout and post-exercise, a PNF technique, because that's gonna build flexibility, but it's also gonna build stability, right? So we wanna be able to strengthen. We wanna be able to have this athlete actually hold this position and continue on further on, right? So it's not necessarily just about a quick fix. So this PNF technique, we'll take him to his end range of motion. You let me know when you're good. Good right there. So I'm gonna have him actually contract into me. So I'm gonna have him fire his hamstrings. Okay, go ahead. Good, push, 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 push. And good. So we have that for about 5 to 8 seconds, and then I can actually put him into a deeper range of motion here. So what that does is it shuts off those GTOs and it allows us to get more flexibility in that muscle that we contracted. And we come back down. And that is kind of an intro to one PNF technique that I like to utilize for these athletes, not only to regain some of that range of motion and flexibility, but to really provide endurance and stability for them.